let's see how to add blog categories in Wix. So first we're going to click this and go to blog page. When you're in the blog page, just hover your mouse in here and click manage posts. After that, we click categories right here, or just click this more actions, then create a category. We can now create category by clicking this. And you can now add your image. For example, just a media from Wix. You can also upload your own media. Let's say this is a blog about love. And after that, you can now name your blog category. Let's say it's a love life. And you can add some descriptions right here. And you can click save after you're done. After that, let's go back to posts. And you can click right here what do you want for your categories to be in. Then click manage categories. And here you can go and click this category, apply. And there it's going to state what category is it. And then again, when we go to categories, it's going to indicate here that there's 2 posts for this. And when we exit this one, it's going to be in here too, the category. Then when we click preview, it's going to look like this for all posts. And for our other category, it's going to look like this. And that's it. That's how to add blog categories in Wix. See you soon.